video, we are going to learn how to check order book on the StockNote app. Open your StockNote app and log in with your Samco client ID, password and year of birth. Click on the search icon and enter the name of the stock that you wish to buy or sell. Now, on clicking the buy button, you can choose the product type, order type and enter the quantity and price and check the total margin required for the trade. You can even see your available balance beside it. Now, click on the quick trade button to place your order. You can view the status of your order along with its details inside the order book menu. Under the order book menu, you can view different tabs for pending orders, executed orders, rejected orders and all orders. On tapping the order entry and then tapping on the details button, you can view the order details like buy or sell status, average execution price, order price, trigger price, total quantity, etc.
And that's how you can check order book on the StockNote app.
If you have any queries, then contact us on 022 2222 7777 or raise a ticket on www.samco.in/support/ticket.
Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos.